Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the exact moment you want. Open the file in a player that supports precise stepping, then play and pause near the frame. Once paused, use frame step or the left/right arrow keys to land on the precise image. This matters because one frame can change expression, text, or timing. Make sure overlays, subtitles, and UI controls are off so they don't appear. If color accuracy matters, set playback to 100% zoom and check video quality before you capture. Now capture the frame using the cleanest method available. If the player has an export frame or snapshot tool, use that because it often writes the original frame at full quality. Otherwise, take a screenshot with your OS shortcut, but you must then crop and remove UI. Save as PNG to avoid compression artifacts, or use TIFF for archival. If you need a specific size, resize after export while preserving aspect ratio. Doing it beforehand can blur or distort the key pixels you need. Finish by polishing the image. Crop for composition, tweak exposure and color balance, and apply minimal sharpening to restore perceived detail. Save an original exported PNG plus a web-ready JPEG if you'll share it. If exporting fails or your player cannot step frames precisely, use a command line extractor like FFmpeg. Seek the exact timestamp and export a single frame. If captures show UI or black bars, re-export with clean video settings or use a player that hides overlays. That usually fixes most capture issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.